Hello everyone, we've got an exponential modelling question here. Let's have a look at this one. So it says, in a simple model, the value of E of a car depends on its age in years. The following information is available for car A. Its value when new is 20,000. Its value after 1 year is 16,000. Use an exponential model to form, for car A, a possible equation linking V with T, 4 marks. So it's an exponential model, so it's going to be E to the kt, and there could be some factor that's been times by. So I think a general form of a potential model would be A is equal to E to the kt. Now, because the car is going to be decreasing in value, when we put some values in, hopefully we're going to find out that our k is negative. So that's like our general solution. So let's put in some values now. So we're told that when it's new, in other words, when t is equal to 0, the value of the car is 20,000. Okay, so let's put that in then. So 20,000 is equal to A times by E to the 0. So 20,000 is therefore equal to A times 1, which is A. All right, so we found out what A is. So V is now equal to 20,000 times by E to the kt. Perfect. Right, that's our first constant done. Now let's think about the k. So we know that after 1 year, so in other words when t is 1, the value is now 16,000. So let's put that information in. So we have 16,000 is equal to 20,000 times e to the kt. So we're going to do 16,000 divided by 20,000 is equal to e to the kt, and we're going to 20,000 divided by 16,000 divided by 20,000 is 4/5, so that gives us 4/5 is equal to e to the kt. So let's take logs of both sides, so natural log of 4/5 is equal to kt. Okay, that's perfect. So we've got our expression there for what we're going to have. Oh yes, and actually that is when t is equal to 1, isn't it? So we've got to sub in the t there as 1 actually. So that is a 1 there. That's a 1. So therefore k is equal to ln of 4/5. And that makes sense actually, because ln of 4/5 is a negative number, which is what we'd expect. So therefore we've got our full model now. So our full model is now that v is going to equal 20,000 times by e to the ln of 4/5 t, and that's our model. Okay, we could leave that as an exact form, or we could change it into the decimal that it is. But if we work out what that decimal is, we're going to get that v is equal to 20,000. Ln of 4/5 is minus 0.2231. So 20,000 times e to the minus 0.2231 t. There we go. All right. So that's our model. So that's our model part A done. The value of the car is monitored over a 10-year period. Its value after 10 years is 2,000. Evaluate the reliability of your model in light of this information. So we're going to sub in t is equal to 10 into this equation. So therefore v is going to equal 20,000 times by e to the minus 0.2231 times by 10. And let's work out what that gives us. When we put that into our calculator, that turns out to be £2,147. So therefore, that's pretty close to 2,000. Now, the advice that we've been given, as examiners, is to go with plus or minus 10%. So let's have a look and see our 2,147 divided by 2,000 is, that's like 7% out. So that's within the guidelines. So we're going to say that that is a suitable model. So it is a suitable model because it is less than 10% out. Okay, I think we could basically say it's suitable if it's like plus or minus 10%. Now the following information is available for car B. It has the same value when new as car A, but it depreciates more slowly than that of car A. Explain how you would adapt the equation found in A so that it could be used to model the value of car B. Well, basically what we would need to have is we'd need to have this value here would need to be less negative, because the more negative that value is, the faster the car is going to depreciate. So what we would need is a less negative value of K. Okay, so that's what we would say. That's one way that we could basically. Oh, what else have we got? It has the same value. Yeah, it depreciates more slowly. Yeah. So that's what I would say. I would say that we could basically make the minus 0.223 less negative, and I think that would be an appropriate thing to do. Okay, perfect. Right. Well, I hope that you found that video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.